Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best model steam engine is probably one of the most fascinating and intricate pieces of mechanical art you can bring into your home, offering a tangible connection to the Industrial Revolution and a captivating display of engineering prowess that can mesmerize enthusiasts and onlookers alike with its complex workings and the gentle hiss of steam. Number 5. Sunnytech LT001 Stirling Engine Motor. Experience a beautifully crafted Stirling engine, made with premium stainless steel, a glass cylinder, and a durable zinc alloy flywheel. All parts are treated to resist rust and operate smoothly without oil. Simply place it on a cup of hot coffee or hot water, give the flywheel a gentle nudge, and watch it come to life. It's a magical display of physics in action, and a great indicator for your coffee's temperature. This remarkable device can run continuously for over 24 hours with a steady heat source. Imagine it operating for weeks on end, powered by a simple USB hot plate. Looking for a unique and educational gift? Its elegant packaging makes it ideal for science projects, learning about mechanics, or as a memorable birthday present for anyone. This Stirling engine is a guaranteed conversation starter. Place it on your desk, activate it, and prepare for amazed reactions and curious questions from everyone who sees it. Want to see it run even faster? Try placing it over hot water and adding ice cubes to the top plate. The increased temperature difference will make it spin with incredible speed. What we like. This model offers effortless, oil-free operation, making it incredibly easy to use. If you're looking for a unique way to demonstrate a physical principle while enjoying a warm beverage, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for anyone who appreciates elegant design and long-lasting performance. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and quietly, even at high speeds. The detailed craftsmanship is impressive, with intricate gears and polished brass accents. It's a great educational tool, demonstrating the principles of steam power in a tangible way. Number 4. Qing Shuang Stirling Engine Educational Toy. Discover the fascinating world of physics with this innovative educational toy. It's designed to bring scientific principles to life in an engaging way. Constructed with premium steel and aluminum alloy, its robust design ensures stability and longevity. The exquisite European-inspired style adds a touch of elegance. Watch as heat from the alcohol burner powers the engine, generating electricity that illuminates colorful LEDs. It's a captivating demonstration of energy conversion. Operating it is straightforward, simply add alcohol, ignite, and give the flywheel a gentle push. It runs smoothly and provides hours of educational entertainment. It features precision CNC finishing, stainless steel components, and a durable glass heating cylinder. We also include spare parts for peace of mind. This makes an ideal gift for children's science projects, classroom demonstrations, or anyone with a passion for learning about mechanics and physics. What we like. Experience the magic of electricity generation with its captivating color LED display. If you are fascinated by the interplay of heat, mechanics, and light, this model is for you. It's a fantastic educational tool that also provides a visually stunning demonstration, perfect for sparking curiosity. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and quietly, even at high speeds. The detailed craftsmanship is impressive, with intricate gears and polished brass components. It's a great educational tool, demonstrating the principles of steam power in a tangible way. Number 3. Sunnytech M16 CF Stirling Engine. Experience superior quality with this meticulously crafted engine. Featuring a stainless steel heating cylinder, brass piston, and a durable bamboo base, it's built to last and designed to impress. Enjoy its oil-free and noise-free operation. Starting this engine is simple. Fill the burner with 95% alcohol, light it, and allow it to heat for a minute or two. A gentle push to the wheel will set it in motion, running smoothly and beautifully. More than just a toy, it's a captivating piece of art. Display it on your desk or in a cabinet when not in use. It also makes for a thoughtful and unique gift for friends and fellow collectors. Looking for a way to pass the time or de-stress? This classic and engaging desk toy is perfect for breaking the ice and tuning out distractions. It's an ideal companion for your office or home. Prepare for amazed reactions when you demonstrate this fascinating engine. Its mesmerizing motion is sure to spark conversations and leave your guests intrigued. It's a guaranteed conversation starter. For the discerning Stirling engine enthusiast, this model is an essential addition to your collection. Its unique design and flawless performance make it a standout piece. What we like. This model combines elegant design with quiet, efficient operation, making it a beautiful addition to any space. If you seek a sophisticated desk toy that doubles as a piece of art and a stress reliever, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for creating a calm and inspiring atmosphere in your home or office. What people say. The steam engine is a great educational tool for understanding physics principles. The detailed craftsmanship of the model steam engine is impressive, showcasing intricate design elements. It operates smoothly and demonstrates the principles of steam power effectively. Number 2. Engino STEM Toys Physics Laws Kit. Discover the fundamental laws of motion and see how they shape our everyday world. This kit makes learning about physics an exciting adventure. Construct 6 fantastic working models, such as a rocket launcher and a crash test rig. Get ready to bring physics concepts to life through building. With clear, step-by-step instructions and engaging theory, your child can become a young scientist. Fun experiments and quizzes reinforce what they learn. Designed for ages 9 and up, this toy features an interactive 3D app for virtual building. It's a cutting-edge way to engage with technology and STEM. Featuring award-winning components, complex science is made simple and fun. Made in Europe, it's an educational experience that truly stands out. What we like. Unleash creativity and learning by building multiple models that explore fundamental physics. If you're looking for an engaging STEM activity that offers a variety of projects and interactive learning, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for young minds eager to experiment and understand the world around them. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and quietly, even at higher speeds. The build quality is excellent, with solid metal construction and precise machining. It's a great educational tool, demonstrating the principles of steam power in a hands-on way. Number 1. Wilesco D18 Steam Engine with Generator. Introducing the Wilesco D18, a remarkable steam engine designed to bring the fascination of steam power to life. This model offers a unique glimpse into historical engineering. Beyond its impressive steam capabilities, this engine features an integrated generator. It demonstrates how steam can be harnessed to produce power, making it both educational and engaging. Crafted with precision, the Wilesco D18 showcases exceptional build quality. Its durable construction ensures longevity and a reliable performance for enthusiasts. Perfect for hobbyists and educational purposes, it provides a hands-on learning experience. Understand the principles of thermodynamics and mechanical engineering in a tangible way. This steam engine is more than just a model, it's a piece of functional art. It's an ideal addition to any collection of mechanical marvels and a testament to classic engineering. What we like. This model features an integrated generator, showcasing practical energy production in a classic steam engine design. If you appreciate the heritage of steam power and want to see a functional generator in action, this is the one to consider. It's a superb choice for enthusiasts and collectors who value both historical accuracy and operational capability. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and quietly, even at high speeds. The detailed craftsmanship is impressive, with intricate gears and a polished finish. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts fit together perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.